Hello everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law classes. My name is Brijesh, I am the English faculty at Manu Law classes. In today's session, I am going to teach you 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. As I always say, these words not only help you in solving questions based upon passages, but also it helps you questions based upon direct questions such as synonyms, antonym and one word substitution and so on. So make sure you make a note of all these words discussed in this video and also learn them by heart time to time. So the first word in the list is स्पेशस. स्पेशस मतलब संदेह, संदेहास्पद. अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो संदेहास्पद मतलब जिसपे आपको शक हो, right? Seems correct or true but actually wrong or false or deceptive, right? So because it was based on suspicious information, the study was flawed. So misleading, deceptive and false are the synonym of this word suspicious. The next word in the list is tenacious. Tenacious का मतलब होता है firmness, दृढ़ता, किसी चीज को करने की, किसी चीज को पाने की, firmness, not readily letting go or giving up, कोई जो आसानी से किसी चीज को छोड़े ना. Determined to capture the killer, the police officer was tenacious in his pursuit. Correct? So जो पुलिस ऑफिसर है वो बहुत ही determined है and tenacious है कि वो पकड़ के ही रहेगा किलर को. Firm, fast and clinging are the synonyms to this word tenacious, right? Next word is unutterable. Again, try to find out the prefix and suffix and the root word. So here utter, utter का मतलब होता है बोलना, right? Utter. And utter का एक और भी मतलब होता है दूसरे सेंस में completely. But यहाँ पे जिस context में this word was given in the newspaper means indescribable, right? जिसे explain न किया जा सकता. तो यहाँ पे utter का मतलब होता है बोलना कुछ. Unutterable मतलब बोला ही न जा सके. Indescribable, right? So unutterable is too intense or horrible to be described with words. तो कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा horrible होना जिससे कि describe ही ना किया जा सके. So filled with unutterable grief, there were no words to describe how the mother felt upon losing his son. So ये situation ही ऐसा है जिसमें कि लोग अपने दुख को बयां या व्यक्त नहीं कर पाते. Synonyms are indescribable, unthinkable, unconceivable, जिसे सोचा ही ना जा सके. Right? Next word is dissentient. Dissentient is opposing the majority. Though several dissentient home owners opposed the building of the mall, most of the people welcomed it. So dissentient मतलब होता है dissenting ना, right? किसी मेजॉरिटी के अगेंस्ट होना, डिफरिंग, डिफर करना, डिस्कॉर्डेंट मतलब कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ ना होना, अकॉर्डेंस ना होना, राइट? डिसेंशियन. The next word in the list is cynicism. Cynicism के दो मतलब होते हैं, पहला कि being doubtful about something and दूसरा the society is purely driven by self interest. तो कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर अच्छा काम कर रहा है तो अपने स्वार्थ के लिए कर रहा है, ऐसा जो cynical लोग होते हैं वैसा सोचते हैं. So cynicism is a feeling of doubt or trust when it comes to people doing good things or things working out well, right? So the police officer's cynicism causes him to think that almost everyone is a criminal. So the people who are in police, they are often surrounded by criminals. So their instinct and other thing keep them thinking about this, like people are criminal and they are into the cynicism stage all the time because they have to serve the nation and they have to be alert, right? So skepticism. So cynicism and skepticism both are same. So cynical and skeptical are the synonymous term, and then distrust and mistrust are the synonymous of this word cynicism. Next word in the list is abhorrent. Abhorrent का मतलब being hateful about somebody, so causing or deserving a strong dislike or hatred. As I looked around the filthy apartment, I had to wonder how could one live in such abhorrent condition, right? So किसी भी गंदी जगह को देख के हेटफुल हो जाता है कि कैसे कोई रह सकता है यहाँ पे. डिटेस्टेबल, हेटफुल एंड execrable, they all are the synonym of this word abhorrent. Next word in the list is renounce. Renounce का मतलब होता है त्याग देना, to give up something, किसी भी पद को, किसी भी चीज को त्याग देना, right? To formally reject something or someone. If the prince chooses to renounce his throne, he will not be king when his father dies, right? So renounce मतलब त्याग देना, voluntarily renounce करना. Reject, repudiate and abandon all are synonyms to this word renounce. Next word in the list is bizarre. Bizarre is a general word that is used to talk about something that is unusual or strange. So highly unusual. Everyone stared at the student who wore the bizarre outfit in their school, right? So ajeeb sa, correct? So strange, peculiar, outlandish. The next word in the list is scurrilous. Scurrilous is something that is said or done to ruin a person's reputation. होता है कभी कभी लोग आपके मुंह पीछे कुछ बातें करते हैं, वो इसलिए ताकि आपकी पर्सनालिटी को या आपके कैरेक्टर को खराब किया जा सके दूसरों की नजरों में, राइट? इन एन अटेम्प्ट टू स्टेन माय कैरेक्टर समवन इज टेलिंग स्कर्लेस स्टोरीज अबाउट मी. तो झूठी झूठी बातें दूसरों के बारे में मुंह पीछे कहना, that is an act of scurrilous. Abusive, vituperative and derogatory means अपमानजनक. These are the synonyms to this word scurrilous. नेक्स्ट वर्ड calumny is kind of similar with the word scurrilous, क्योंकि सेम आर्टिकल से उठाया हुआ शब्द है, तो सिनोनिम्स यहाँ पे रखे हुए. तो calumny is a false statement made to damage someone's reputation. किसी के बारे में कुछ गलत स्टोरी बताना उसकी रेपुटेशन को डैमेज करने के लिए. The best way for you to defend yourself against calumny is by ignoring the false statement of others. So slander, libel and calumniation are the synonyms to this word calumny. I hope you have understood all this word discussed in this video. Make sure you are noting it down somewhere and practicing it day by day, because words are tend to be forgotten and you have to revise it on a regular basis. So if you have liked this video, do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends. Follow for more. All the very best for your examination.